Hi there, in this video I'll show you how you can turn your amateur looking selfie into something that looks more cinematic using only Gemini AI. So these are some examples that I Gemini, and I would say the quality has been significantly improved, and this photo could be something that was created or captured in a studio environment, but of course these pictures are created by AI. So let me show you how you can achieve this kind of look on any photo. First, let's go to gemini.google.com, or you can also use the Gemini app version on your phone. And here, for this demonstration, I'm going to be using some random selfies that I found on Google. So we have plenty of options, and let me just pick one of them. Okay, there is plenty of it. Let's try this one. So it's a decent selfie, but it's kind of flat and there is almost no texture to that picture, so we are going to fix it. I'm going to right click, copy the image, and then let's go back to Gemini and paste the picture. Or you can also just click this button and then upload the file from your device. Okay, now the picture is here, and there are two prompts that you can try. So I got this first variant number 1 and then variant number 2, and let me just use the first version and later I'll show you the example or what is the meaning behind the version 2. Now I'm going to copy this, and by the way, all the prompts should be available in the video description down below. I'm going to paste the prompt and click tools and then click create images and then just send a message. So one thing that you will get if you're using the first prompt is the background will be just dark or pitch black, and that's usually going to make the picture look more cinematic or studio-like, and I would say it looks really great. So we got this example from this simple selfie. As you can see, the angle is a bit different, the lighting is definitely different, but the facial expression, the tonality, and overall the character is still the same. So that's the new capability of Gemini, where it is able to maintain the same character consistency across picture. Now let's try the other prompt. I'm going to open Gemini again and I'll start a new thread. So this time around, I guess I'm going to be using a different picture. So let's go back to Google and let me pick one picture that doesn't look great and can be improved with Gemini. And by the way, maybe I have to mention here that do not use a group selfie. It's not consistent because most of the times it will isolate everyone and leaving only one person in the picture. So just use one selfie and that's about it. All right, let me try, I guess. There's plenty of options. Okay, let me try maybe this one. So let me just right click, copy image and paste that onto Gemini, and then let's use the second prompt, the version 2. Copy and let's paste that again. So click tools and click create images and just wait for about 10 to 20 seconds to get the picture. So it's incredibly fast. And by the way, I forgot to mention that you have to use Gemini 2.5 Flash, although most of the times, even if you're using the Pro version, it's still able to switch back to Gemini 2.5 Flash, which is the model that is able to edit the picture. And there you go. So the second prompt is actually trying to maintain the same background as in the original picture. It is not going to be 100% the same, but it will take a look at the picture and will try to maintain some elements of it. Of course, it's going to change the angle a bit and the tonality is going to look a bit different because we want to achieve the cinematic look. But overall, the version 2 of the prompt is trying to maintain the original background as in the original picture. So that's the difference between the version 1 and version 2. And again, all the prompts are available in the video description down below. So that's basically how you can use Gemini AI to improve your selfie into something that looks cinematic. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.